Bruce of the Zollo Diecast YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, here's the box of stuff I sent him. Here's what he did with it. He came up with some really creative things here. To quote him, he said, "This is the elite group of construction folks who were either parts of the Seabees, the Army Corps of Engineers, that kind of thing. They decided to hire themselves out to anyone needing their services. They're most famous for repairing the Hoover Dam after the war and deemed themselves the Angry Beavers, best dam builders around." These are fantastic, Bruce. You did a fantastic job on these builds. Again, I'm surprised how people are doing multiple, castings. Each one of these is exceptional just on its own. So thanks for doing this, Bruce. Everybody go check out his YouTube channel, check out the video of this build, and check out his Instagram channel to see more of what he's done. Thanks for watching these videos. I hope you're enjoying them as much as I am. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there, and catch you in the next one.